Seth Christou really enjoys making chairs, but he finds time for a few other pieces here and there too. His studio is in Calgary, Alberta. As I mentioned, Seth loves making all sorts of seating. He described his style to me as not fine furniture, but certainly not cheap furniture either. Just quality, handmade furniture. He then added, "I'm most passionate about creating design-forward seating." He obviously has a soft spot for mid-century modern design, as his work has very clean lines reminiscent of Danish furniture. Here are a few other pieces Seth has recently completed. Though he's in the midst of moving his studio to a larger space, Seth uses a mix of hand and power tools to get the job done. Although he enjoys the good old hammer and chisel approach, he usually doesn't shy away from cutting-edge technology if that's the best option for a specific joint or technique. He's self-taught, but has really jumped in head first and has had a lot of success. His recent addition to the family hasn't left Seth with a lot of downtime, but I have a feeling he's okay with that. He starts his day corresponding with customers, often works late into the night, and squeezes in some time with his young baby whenever possible.